Does anyone else get this lazy?
I really have to pee. I haven't showered in like 2 days. Shower's tomorrow, right? There's gotta be something to eat in here, right? Parakeet soup? They're not gonna eat it, right?
No, that's just me. I didn't think it was just me. Oh, it's just me. I don't feel like editing this.